Jia Optical Technology, Guangdong Corporation is your ideal partner for high-precision and large-volume custom silicone and plastic products. As a leading OEM manufacturer, we specialize in producing silicone valves, plastic caps, silicone lenses, plastic optics, and more. With over 10,000 square meters clean molding workshops, our factory has been certified by ISO 13485, ISO 45001, IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001. With a professional engineering team and advanced equipment such as imported plastic injection molding machines, LSR injection molding machines, automatic production equipment, 3D and 2D measuring instruments, automatic optical measuring instruments, etc. We guarantee tight tolerance, stable quality, and production efficiency. Jia Optical has established itself as a long-term supplier to many Fortune 500 companies due to our precision manufacturing capabilities. Our products are widely utilized in various industries, including food and beverage, automotive, optics, acoustics, mobile phones, outdoor electronics, smart wearables, medical, beauty, and more. Our dedicated project team of 36 members is committed to providing tailored silicone and plastic product solutions. Through our ERP system and manufacturing execution system, MES, customers can easily stay informed about order dynamics and monitor project process. When it comes to high-level custom silicone or plastic products, Jia Optical is the ultimate choice for renowned brands.